We actually see this sort of combination of factors all coming together to create some big challenges, but also some really great opportunities. So firstly, hybrid work has risen to over 50%, and that means in the office at least once per week. Quite interestingly, office only has also risen substantially, around about 43%. The remaining 6% is remote only, which really indicates that this return to the office is happening right now. The millennials and the Gen Z that we've been studying really want that personal connection in the office. They're the ones who feel most left out of meetings in meeting room to remote, so they would prefer to be in the office in some cases. There is this big challenge going on because the return to the office is happening. Around about 60% of all meetings are occurring in meeting rooms, and at least 80% are occurring with at least one remote participant. So that means you've got to have the equipment in that meeting room to make sure that remote participant is included in it. This massive use of meeting rooms, but only 15% of them equipped with video. So there's a huge opportunity here for everyone, and it should, of course, prime for us to really help customers with that. And then we create solutions for hybrid working, such as our award-winning PanaCast 50.
It isn't just maybe about the rooms, it may be about a space these days as well. So it might actually be putting it in the side of an office so that people can actually use the video conferencing system there. It might be actually having the room in different configurations. So you need that ability to actually move that device around. So that's why we're talking when we're coming from that flexibility, but also that ease of use side as well, where we don't want to spend 10 minutes trying to get the meeting going. We want to get that straight up and either plug into our laptop or press a button on the tablet. So it's a simple case of plugging your laptop in and starting a meeting there. But again, we want people to have that best experience with the kit that's in the room and getting people using the kit. So there's an element of people adopting it, but it's also about the other end as well. So it's also about the people who might be at home, using their webcam there, and they need to have a good experience. The PanaCast 50 is an investment for the future. We realise that budgets are really stretched with companies at the moment, and they want some technology there that's really going to grow with them. They don't want to have to keep replacing that every few years. So as such, what we do is we actually release firmware updates periodically to bring new features onto the bar, to bring updates there. So as an example, the unique thing about the PanaCast 50 is its 180-degree field of view. So that means that everyone in the room gets seen, everyone gets heard in that room as well. So if you take an example of some new office spaces going in, actually by having that 180-degree field of view, that means that you will actually save that amount of space within the meeting room, which might mean you can actually use other spaces more effectively in there. You then add on some of the features we've been talking about, like intelligent Zoom, virtual director, intelligent meeting space. It means that everyone really can follow the action there. So Langley is our headquarters for Jabra in the UK. We have at Langley, we have a demo centre, and at the demo centre we have a number of different rooms there trying to mimic what customers are trying to do today. So different environments, different rooms, different things going on there. As such, we have 3 different PanaCast products in there. So we have a PanaCast 50 BYOD for those people that want to come in there, use a cable, plug into a laptop and drive everything from the laptop. We have a PanaCast 50 room system, which is a Windows-based room system. So people can come in there, press a button and they're away, they can start their meeting. And we also have an Android-based system, our PanaCast 50 VBS, which again has the Android unit built into the bar, and people can then press the button and simply start their meeting. And we have all those in Teams and Zoom flavors.
I think people know Jabra from audio. We have this amazing heritage in professional audio. We have sold over 9 million speakerphones, and there are around 30 million professionals using Evolve headsets today. And I think we've done that by really listening to what they want and to deliver on that user experience from the very beginning of the product. We then apply that same ethos to our video portfolio.